your mind for all this time. You feel that something is wrong, you feel that something's going on. Your whole world is spinning and you're